Hello, greetings to everybody. Welcome to my video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to perform operations on sets. Operations on sets. And the operations of sets, we will look at how to add or subtract sets and also how to multiply sets. Now, first of all, let's look at how to add or subtract sets. That's addition and subtraction of sets. Addition and subtraction. Now, simply, we say that two or more sets can be added or subtracted if they are the same. Two or more sets can be added or subtracted if they are the same or if they are like sets. Now, what are like sets? Or when do we say that two sets are the same? Example of sets that are the same are 2 root 3 and 5 root 3. We say that these two sets are the same or they are like sets because their radicand are the same. That is, the value under the root sign here is 3 and the value under the root sign here is also 3. Hence, we say that these two sets are like sets or they are the same. Another example of two like sets or sets that are the same are 4 root 11 and minus 7 root 11. Again, we say these two sets are the same or they are like sets because they have the same radicals. That the value here is 11 and the value here is also 11. Hence, these two sets are the same. Now, to add or subtract sets, the two sets or the radicals must be the same as we have here. So, for example, we add 2 root 3 and 5 root 3. To simplify this, we just add the coefficients. We add the coefficients. In this case, we have 2 plus 5. Then we bring our root sign, that's root 3. This gives us 7 root 3. We can also subtract 2 root 3 minus 5 root 3. This will give us 2 minus 5 root 3. Simplify this to get minus 3 root 3. So simply, you see that two sets can be added or subtracted if they are the same. Example, solution. Now, to simplify this expression, what we have to do first is that we have to simplify each of the terms. We will simplify root of 50, then root of 18, then root of 8 as follows. So this will give us, root of 50 is the same as 25 times 2 plus root of 2 minus 2 the same as root of 18, the same as root of 9 times 2 plus, and we know root of 8 the same as root of 4 times 2. That's simplification of sets. Okay, we simplify each of the terms. Now remember that root of 25 is 5, so this gives us 5 root 2 plus root of 2 minus 2 bracket root of 9 is 3, so this will give us 3 root 2 plus root of 4 is same as 2, so this will give us 2 root 2. Now next we simplify. This will give us 5 root 2 plus root of 2. Here we have minus 2 times 3 root 2. This will give us minus 6 root 2 plus 2 root 2. Now we simplify. You can see that each of the terms has root of 2. Hence, we can write this one as 5 plus 1 minus 6 plus 2 root 2. Simplifying, this will give us 5 plus 1, which is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. And so we left with 2. So this will give us 2 root 2. And this is our final answer. Now let's look at multiplication of sets. Multiplication. Now we note that if you have root of a times root of a, this will give us a. The reason is that the root of a is the same as a exponent 1 over 2 times a exponent 1 over 2. And using set, this is the same as a exponent 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. And this gives us a exponent 1, which is the same as a. Or we can also say that root of a times root of a is equal to root of a squared. That is a times a with a squared. And this will give us a exponent 2 brackets or exponent 1 over 2. And our 2 will cancel 2 here, which will give us a. So we take note that root of a times root of a is the same as a. That is, if we multiply any two sets that are the same, then you get the radicand. Example, or for instance, root of 2 times root of 2 is same as root of 4, which gives us 2. So in short, root of 2 times root of 2 is simply 2. Or root of 9 times root of 9 is simply 9. Another note is that if you have root of a times root of b, then this will give us root of a b. That is, you multiply the a and the b and add the root sign. Also, by the distributive property of multiplication, we say that a root b times c root d plus e root f will give us a times c, which is ac. Then we have b times d, which is bd. We have a times e, which is ae. And we also have b times f, which is bf. Now, using the concept explained above, let's simplify this example. Solution. We have to multiply 2 root 3 times 4 root 5 plus 3 root 6. This will give us, that is, we have 2 root 3 times 4 root 5 plus 3 root 6. So first of all, you multiply 2 times 4, that is the coefficient, multiply first. So you have 2 times 4, giving us 8. Then bring our root sign. Then we have 3 times 5, giving us 15. So we have 8 root 15 plus we have 2 times 3. That's we multiply the coefficient again, 2 times 3, giving us 6 We bring our root sign. Then we have 3 times 6, giving us 18. Now we check to see if we can simplify further. Now for the first term, you have 8 root 15, and for the root 15, you cannot simplify. But for the second term, you have 6 root 18, and I think we can simplify the root 18. So let's go ahead and simplify further. This will give us 8 bracket root 15 plus 6 bracket, the root 18 is same as root of 9 times 2. This will give us 8 root 15 plus 6 bracket. We know this is same as root of 9 times root of 2. We simplify further. This gives us 8 root 15 plus 6 bracket. Root 9 is the same as 3. So you have 3 root 2. This gives us 8 root 15 plus 6 times 3, which is 18 root 2. So you have 8 root 15 plus 18 root 2. We check if we can simplify. We know these two sets are not the same. This is root 15, this is root 2, hence we cannot add. So we leave our answer in this form. That is, our final answer is 8 root 15 plus 18 root 2. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. In our next lesson, we look at how to rationalize sets. Bye-bye.